Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube. And today we are going through my May everyday makeup drawer as a get ready with me. So I'm gonna dive right in, grabbing the first little box's worth of stuff. This month I'm using the Laneige Mini Pore Blur Perfecting for All Skin. I tried this the other day and I was surprised because blur perfecting ones are normally like silicone-y, and this is very much more liquid, like a moisturizer. I don't know what's going on with my hair. I'm getting it done soon. It has a little bit of a soapy scent, but nothing crazy. Nothing that you're like, can't do it. I also have on the Smashbox Primerizer today because I used it as my moisturizer. I don't think it primes for anything. In fact, I visibly noticed my makeup being taken off at the end of the day when I used it as my sole primer. So it's just getting used up. Still using the Becca just because I don't have anything else that's going to prime under eye in that particular way. I discovered I have an alarming amount of eye primers. This is a Laura Mercier one in Wheat Eye Base. I think my mom actually got this in like a deluxe samples kit at Nordstrom, and she didn't want it, so here you go. So, two things, Bare Mineral Bare Pro, it's back in my life, I'm very excited, and still using the Instant Age Rewind just because I like it. So, going to throw that down first because it's just the brightening one. Got it a little too far, didn't need to go down here. I am getting ready for work right now, so you're seeing me in my real, like, oh, I'm busy and I've just got to get this on way, instead of some very intentional, let's place this nicely sort of feel. So I just dot. Okay, so foundation on. Oh, just a whole patch ripped off my nose. That was interesting. Okay, so foundation's on. Now, the cream products. I am using Hey Honey Trick and Treat Cream Concealer. This came in an Ipsy long ago, and I used it here and there. I know I used it at the holidays and in January with the 30 days, 30 looks. For being in one of these tubes, I feel like those normally come out really thick. This comes out very creamy. So I kind of dab in place. And then go back with my beauty blender. I don't know if it's quite on the right shade. It's not the deepest concealer. Definitely not covering quite as much as I want it to, but I want to use it, so I just want to get it used up. And it's not terrible. It's worth still using. Still using my Milk bronzer just because, guys, that's it. That's it. So I want to finish it off. It's also, I believe, nearing a year. And I don't know, I just have a feeling Milk products will start turning bad around that time. I can't completely explain why, but that's just my feel. Sorry, I'm looking for a brush. Okay. Okay, and then I busted out my Stila convertible color. I've hit pan on this already. I love this. The Stila convertible you have to play with a little bit, but I like that it's very forgiving. All right, and then powder-wise, we are busting out the Beauty Amplifier powder. It also is called Smoothing Translucent Setting Powder. It's been in a couple different packages. I know I saw the other package of it, itchy, on Sephora on sale recently, but I want to use this little guy up. Okay, I just realized there's a mirror in the top. And something with loose powder. That's an interesting idea. The one thing I don't like about this is the container, that little open hole is how it gives you more. And it's really awkward to maneuver. But you can tell it gives a really nice finish. This I used in my video. I bought it to be a dupe for the Urban Decay Velvetizer. And did everyone see Tati's video where she ripped off the Velvetizer label and it's totally a repackaged like naked skin powder? It's some sort of Urban Decay powder. And it, as of the posting of this, it hasn't been determined if it was just a reusing of old packaging, like leftover packaging that was ordered, or if it was leftover product. Either way, it kind of made me happy that I hadn't bought it, because I was like, dang it, I had wanted it, and then I saw that and went, nope, that's okay. Okay, so just realized I hadn't picked a bronzer. Oh, I look real white, just one tone right now. So bronzer this month is going to be this little sample of Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. And then I picked these up maybe in March or early April. The two new Morphe blush trios, they came out with a ton of different ones. There's a peaches one, and then I got the pop of pink, which I'll be really honest, I know these are not the best colors on me, but I just like the way they look. So thought I would use this month. I do think Rule Breaker might be okay because it's got a little bit duller tones to it. Like it's not quite that's a pop, that's not. But the amount of blush I have now. Okay, so this brush, the one on the end, so see how much more pigmented that was? Yikes. My one thing with Morphes are they're not forgiving. You put it down, you better start blending because it will set in immediately. Okay, for brows this month, it is the Archery Volume Boost Brow Fiber from Soap and Glory. And then, nobody's shocked, Soft Glam is going to be my palette for the month. Let's see if I hit pan immediately. I am reaching for brushes. I am a little scared based on what people have said before. I mean, these are super soft. A lot does kick up when you use it. And I know other palettes, there are issues with that people used it like 3 times and hit pan. I do have some concern. I don't care about it kicking up product, but I haven't used it that long, and you can definitely see like lines and stuff, little divots already. I'm gonna take burnt orange. This is not gonna be a high maintenance eye look today. I gotta get to work. That's why I love that it just blends so beautifully. Dusty Rose, of course. Right in the corner. And just because I want a little more definition, I'm going to take Rustic right in that crease. Oh, got a little heavy-handed on the one side. Okay. And then I am going to pat Rose Pink right on the lid. Take my smudge. Oh, my blush is looking crazy on camera, but in person it doesn't. And I'm going to take Cypress Umber and just line. Mascara is Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes, and I'm NYX waterproofing it because I have used this in the past and it all fell under my eye throughout the day. Okay, last steps, taking dim light. This is in the everyday for the month. And I'm using it as an all-over finishing powder. And finally, well, and then I'll put on lipstick, Urban Decay All Nighter. And then my lipstick go-to for the month is going to be this Bite Beauty in Glacé. Gloss is so in, you gotta gloss it up. So I'm gonna use my High Shine from Urban Decay. Came in my Sephora play this month. I will go through this fast. I have a very pink look today. The eye, everything. Okay, so that is it for this video. Something on that cheek just went on weird. There's like a streak. I don't know. I might not like that last blush. So we'll see. I'll play with it more throughout the month. That's the point. But that's it for this video. Please let me know what you've got in your everyday makeup drawer this month. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming out. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.